If I speak English, whoa, cha cha cha, no Watkins. Hi, everyone, and welcome back to another conversation with Chichi, your front row seat to all things Africa and the diaspora. Today, we are celebrating a cultural moment that's bigger than just numbers. Davido's brand new video for his hit song With You has crossed 1 million views in just 24 hours. I know, crazy. And trust me, it's not just going viral, it's making history. From the jump, this video feels like joy in motion. You've got David on one side, playing around as playful as it always is. Then we have Omah bringing his usual, his Afro depression or his usual cool vibes. But then we also have dancers, colors, street scenes, just things that feel like a love letter to African rhythm. But then don't forget though, we also have Bright Chimezie in the video. Yes, Bright Chimezie. Alabeke o. Yes, that Bright Chimezie was also in the video. And that is a reminder that Afrobeats didn't just happen, it was built. Davido is not just dropping hits, he's bridging generations, giving flowers to icons and showing the world that our sound has roots and range. And if you thought that was it, Davido fans, come to the front though, think again. He just announced his 5 Alive tour, and the lineup is insane. Victony, Odumodu Black, so many amazing talents ready to tear the stages up. What Davido is doing here isn't just music, it's a movement. It's blending the past, present, and future into something you can dance to, cry to, or claim as your own. So tell me, what do you think about the new song? What do you think about the new music video? What moments really stood out to you? And who is ready for the tour? Who is ready for the tour? I know I am. You're going to see me live and direct. So yes, drop your thoughts and comments below and follow to stay updated on the stories, shifts, and standouts shaping Africa and the diaspora. From breakthroughs to breaking news. I'm Chichi, and this is another conversation. See you next time. Bye, everyone. I'ma get too fine. No be makeup. Oh, yeah, but, finish from you. Oh.